Welcome to computer class, students. So we are learning lesson number 1, internet and email. So till the date we have seen what is the internet. The internet is a network of thousands of computers across the world. And after that we have seen uses of the internet for sending emails, news groups, online chatting and conference. Other uses of the internet like buying and selling products, managing the bank accounts, studying, watching movies, playing games, listening music, ordering the books, sending greeting cards. After that we have seen internet terminology, that is network, and there are two types, LAN and WAN. So today we are going to learn about the World Wide Web. What is a World Wide Web? World Wide Web is a collection of all the websites on the internet. All these websites are linked to one another to form a global web of information. Now let us see the terms of the World Wide Web. First term is the web browser, a program for getting connected to World Wide Web and viewing any information on it. That's the web browser. And most popular web browsers are Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Opera Mini, and Google Chrome. These are the examples of web browsers. Next, web server. A program or a computer that stores all the websites is called web server. In the server client computer, we have seen the server computer is providing the all information to the client computers. Website. Website is a collection of the web pages linked to one another. It means it is a bunch of web pages. Next is web page. A single page of information containing text, images, sound, video clips on a website is called web page. Home page. The first page or the main page of the website. For example, if you typed in the address bar www.google.com, you will see the below window. So that is the home page of the Google website. Hyperlink. A web address on a web page. It is a shortcut to another web page. It could be an image or a text. It means your normal pointer, when it converts in the hand position, it must be that text or that image is the hyperlink. We can jump from one page to another page through this hyperlink. Next term is URL. Universal Resource Locator. It is the address of the website on the internet. In short, any of the address of website is called a URL for that particular website. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. It is a standard coding language used for creating web pages. It is a set of the markup codes and symbols that tells the browsers how to display a web page. Each markup code is called an element or a tag. We'll see URL in a detail. That is Universal Resource Locator. URL is the address of the website on the internet. Just now we have seen. For example, http://www.google.com. This is the URL of the Google website. So here, what is the HTTP? HTTP, it is a protocol. Most web address begin with the HTTP, that is the Hypertext Transmission Protocol. This protocol sends the web pages from the web server to your computer. This is the work of the protocol. The letter HTTP are always followed the colon and the 2 forward slashes. Next is web. Most web addresses have a www after the http://. As you can see, www is the web. http://www.google.com. This is the host. Google is host. This is the name of the website, and the name could be the name of the company, business house, news agency, etc. After a google.com, this part of the website tells you what type of site a website is. .com stands for commercial sites. This means that Google is a commercial site. types of domain names. Now you can see the common domain names are there: .com, .net, .org, .edu, .mil, .government. Like just now we have seen .com means commercial entities, .net for the internet service provider, .org it means non-profit making organizations, .in stands for the India, .au is for Australia, .us for the United States, .uk for United Kingdom. So these are the all the domain types. So today's homework is that you have to write all the web terms and types of the domain names. Thank you.